The Memorial Coliseum behind me has hosted thousands of basketball and hockey games throughout the years, but today it's hosting a different kind of competition. The Skyview High School Robotics team makes its final adjustments as it prepares for the first match of the day. The pits, deep in the bowels of Memorial Coliseum, are noisy and full of energy. These teams, 58 in all, spent 6 weeks preparing their robots, with each team member serving a different role.
Because they're experiencing the same thing that engineers in the real world experience, which is teamwork, the importance of communication.
Now, they take the creations from the classroom to a much larger stage. As you can see behind me, the crowd here at Memorial Coliseum is pretty big, and it's easy to understand that once you walk through these double doors and see the show that's going on down on the floor. Here's how it works. 6 teams compete at once. They're put on one of 2 sides, red or blue. Working with their new alliance, the teams direct their robots to pick up the inflatable rings and deposit them on the hooks hanging from the end walls. With so much going on, the machines must perform, but the human element is just as important.
Working together is a really big part of making sure that our alliance comes together.
As the Stormbots approach the battlefield, they talk strategy with their new allies.
We're really good at getting up on the top shelf and things like getting the top ones. So if we had a team that was a short robot, then we would want to only put ours on the top and they would put theirs on the bottom. And so we try to utilize what we're good at and what they're good at.
From Skyview High School in Vancouver, Washington, Stormbots.
Keep your eyes on robot number 2811. In this first match, things don't start off well as the robot drops the inflatable ring twice.
We had made a change to the way our grabber grabbed because we had been popping tubes in the last match yesterday. So we added some surgical tubing to kind of prevent that, but it made it too slippery.
But the team sticks with it, and the points begin to pile up as Blue dominates the match.
Our alliance score as a group was 96, and then the Red Alliance had, I think, 12. So we did pretty good.
We went out there today with a good game plan of what we wanted to accomplish, and I think we did that really well.
With more rounds to come, the team makes adjustments.
Trying to get our little grabber thing improved.
At the end of the 2-day competition, Skyview found itself in 18th place out of 58 competitors. Of course, taking the regionals would have been nice, but the team walked away as winners nonetheless.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Yeah, it's a lot of work, but when the 6 weeks is over and our bot is back in school and we're all just sitting around talking, it's all good memories, it's all good thoughts coming out at the very end.
For In the Know, I'm Nick Voll.